Welcome to 6201 Hensbro Place in East Sooke near Victoria, BC. What a unique opportunity! This delightful, bright 2.47 acre parcel has a sunny exposure and two gorgeous homes on it. As you enter the gated property, you'll see the stunning log cabin style building. Currently, it is set up as a one-bedroom cottage with an integrated garage, but the three garage doors also make it possible to turn it into a car buff's dream. Inside, be wowed by the size of the logs used to create the light-filled space with tall, vaulted ceilings. The cottage is loft-style with a huge bedroom space above the garage and an open-plan living, dining, kitchen below. The three-piece bathroom and laundry make it an ideal rental or guest house. The second home is a sprawling West Coast style rancher of over 3,000 square feet with two bedrooms and a possible third and two bathrooms. You'll love the gorgeous heated stained concrete flooring, tongue-and-groove pine ceilings, and wide open plan and feature brick walls. The large master bedroom has a full ensuite bath and the living room features a cozy wood stove. The open plan kitchen has a large island and eating bar, and there is room for a huge table for entertaining. The possible third bedroom is currently set up as a super home office, complete with exterior entrance if your customers or employees visit. The property slopes gently and has several flat areas for gardens and great views over the Sooke Basin. It is on city water, so there's no hassle with a private well. A great property at a great price. Get in touch today for your personal tour. Thanks for watching.